Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today we are preparing Shakshuka. It's one of the popular recipe and it's my first time making it as well. So I just use all the classic ingredients that I can find in my home country because I want to taste the original flavor of it. Now let's prep all the vegetables first before we start cooking. First, I start dicing the onions and bell peppers and I try to do it as fine as I could. By the way, please don't mind my poor knife skill. I'm not a professional chef and I'm just a home cooker that enjoy cooking. The reason why I love cooking because all my family members love to eat delicious foods. So my happiness is to cook all the delicious foods around the world to them. I just noticed that all the ingredients for this recipe are very easy to find, so I believe everyone can make this food at home very easy. The problem is how you can make it taste delicious. For me and my family, we love eating foods that have strong flavor, and I believe it is not just for us because we may find most of our Asian foods are very tasty and also have strong aromas. After dicing the onions and bell peppers, let's start mincing the garlic. I use one head of garlic because we really love the smell of it and it always spices up my dish. And that's not it, it's also very beneficial to your health as well. It helps reducing the risk of common cold and managing cholesterol and blood pressure. The downside is only make your breath smell not good when eating it too much. So now we have done prepping our vegetables, it's time to start cooking. First, heat your frying pan and add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil and we wait until the oil simmer. After that we can put in the diced onion and start stir frying them. Make sure you stir fry them in low heat to avoid burning. You can do it for about 2 to 3 minutes, then you can add in the bell peppers and continue stir frying them for about other 10 minutes until everything is nice and soft and the onions are translucent. You can stir it once in a while, it doesn't require a constant stir so you can enjoy your coffee or tea when doing it. Once everything looks nice and soft and the onions become translucent, we can add in the spices. I put in 1 tablespoon of paprika and 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 2 tablespoons of ground cumin. The mixture of the spices make it smell so good. Even it is my first time cooking it, I think it's gonna be very delicious. So after that I add in the garlics and continue stir fry them in low heat for about 1 to 2 minutes before putting in tomatoes and their juice into the pan. I use a can of whole peeled tomatoes because it's convenient and it also comes with juice. So I don't have to waste a lot of time to peel fresh tomatoes or even make their juice. But if you have time, I highly suggest using fresh tomato to make it because I still believe that freshness is always the best. So leave it over a medium heat until you see a boil. Then you start adding in half a tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of my favorite compote pepper. I know it may be quite a lot to you, but like I told you, my family love eating tasty foods. After that, I reduce the heat back to low and add in the cilantro and leave it cook until it looks just a delicious consistency for me. Once I think it's almost ready, I start putting the eggs one by one and make sure that the white yolk isn't running all over the dish. So now it is ready to serve, so we have to finish it with cilantro as a final touch. But I have to be honest with you, I failed to make a soft and runny yolk because I forgot to turn off the heat. Oh my god. Anyway, regardless, the food tastes super delicious. I have to rate it 10 out of 10. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoy it. Please have like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Have a nice weekend. Bye.